Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kate. Today I want to create for you a cute Valentine's Day inspired / springy versatile truck. So this is a door hanger and I think it's really fun. It's like I said, it's nice for Valentine's Day, but it's also cute for spring. So sit back, relax, and I really hope you enjoy this video. So for this craft, I'm using this red truck that I got around Christmas time from the Dollar Tree, and it originally said Merry Christmas in gold glittery letters, but I had previously sanded that off, and I believe I used like Glue Gun to make it come off easier. And I am using all Craft Smart paints in this project. The one that I'm currently using to paint the whole truck with is this denim blue. And I really liked the way the blue truck looked as opposed to like a pink, very Valentine's Day truck. Just because blue is fine for Valentine's Day and it's fine for spring too. So I'm just going over the whole truck minus the back with the blue paint. You can see one of my kitties in the back right up there. That's a white Siamese cat. His name's Paps. It's funny because actually while I was recording this, 2 of my other cats came in. We have 4 cats in total, and 2 of the other ones came in and they were both sitting by me, but you can't see them in the video. So after I've painted the whole truck in the denim blue, I'm then going to go back in with this turquoise blue, also by Craft Smart, just to kind of like give the truck some highlights, a little bit more dimension. And I really liked the way that this light blue looked on top of the denim blue. So once that's done, I'm going to grab my scrapbooking paper. So I got this huge pad of paper from Michael's. It cost me like $5. It was on sale. It's usually about $20. So I picked these 3 really pretty patterns that I love. They're really pretty for Valentine's Day, plus really cute for springtime. It's like a dark pink color, a watercolor floral, and then just a white one with gold lines on it. So I'm just cutting out a whole bunch of different size hearts, just making enough to go in the bed of the truck and to just kind of like overflow out of the sides. Cutting out a whole stack of hearts. So once the truck is dried and once I have enough hearts to fill the bed of the truck, I'm gonna go back in with some black paint and a very thin paintbrush by Artist's Loft, and I'm just gonna kind of give the truck some detail, some more definition. I'm gonna make lines where there would normally be like highlights or lines on a real truck. So that's kind of like the hood of the truck, around the wheels, where the bed of the truck is. I'm gonna make some doors, a door handle. Alright, so before I glue the hearts in place with my hot glue gun, I'm just kind of going to make a little bit of a rough placement where I think that they would look good, you know, play around with it. And then once I figured out what I think would look good, then I'm going to start hot gluing them all in place. So I had 2 hearts left over, which happened to be perfect. So I used those and I glued them on top of the wheels as kind of like a hubcap, I believe it's called. So I thought that looked really cute. So I've glued a blue piece of ribbon on the back just to use as like a hanger, and you can use blue, you can use black, you can use any kind of ribbon your heart desires, as long as it'll be sturdy enough to hang up this truck. Okay, so now I'm going in with my black and my white paint pens, and I'm just kind of outlining each individual heart. That way they look more defined and less like a bunch of scrap paper kind of in a little heaping pile in the bed of this truck. I also went over some parts of the truck with the white paint pen, again just to kind of give it that illusion that like the sun's shining and maybe it's reflecting off of the truck. And there you have it, a little truck door hanger that's perfect for Valentine's Day and spring. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.